Top 5 Best Wheelbarrow for Gardening. Number 5. ALLSOP Coleman Garden Folding Fabric Wheelbarrow. If you have an especially small garden area, there will still be a few occasions each year where you find yourself in need of a wheelbarrow, even though you can really afford the space to store one. Well, ALLSOP Coleman Garden has your solution in the form of their highly durable and functional foldaway fabric wheelbarrow. Of course, the fabric hauler is not going to support the same weight or capacity for transporting materials, but a few extra trips aren't going to hurt when you don't have very far to travel anyway. Plus, the fabric wheelbarrow folds into a nice, small stowaway size that's perfect for gardeners that are short on shed space. Coming in number 4. Guerrilla Carts GOR 4PS Poly Garden Dump Cart. If you are not well equipped to push heavy loads of loose materials in a wheelbarrow due to limited physical prowess or injury, a 4-wheeled garden cart is probably more your speed. Guerrilla Carts make the best 4-wheel garden carts on the market. Coming in number 3. Jackson M6T22 Wheelbarrow 6 cubic foot capacity. Like True Temper, Jackson Designs is a trusted name that makes high-quality products that you can trust. They are pricey as well, so you expect it to be great. There is not much separating the build of the two steel, one-wheel models on our list, except for that the Jackson model is made with a tube tire, whereas the True Temper brand has a never-flat guarantee. Both models are backed by a limited 2-year warranty. Coming in number 2. Polar Trailer Plastic 2-wheeled hauling cart. Built to haul 7 cubic feet of loose materials, the Polar Trailer boasts a load capacity of up to 400 pounds. Its high-impact resistant polyethylene tub makes the total weight of the wheelbarrow just 35 pounds, which makes it the lightest weight heavy-duty wheelbarrow on the market. It has gotten some negative reviews for being tough to assemble and having cheaply made tires. However, the tires are pneumatic, so they may eventually wear out and need to be replaced. Coming in number 1. WORX WG050 Aerocart 8-in-1 Yard Cart. The WORX Aerocart is a lot more than just a wheelbarrow, but it holds its own as a wheelbarrow first and foremost, holding up to 300 pounds with superb balance from its 2-wheel design. It has a slightly smaller pan than full-sized wheelbarrows, but it can also serve as a dolly, and its other features allow you to use it to move just about anything, not just loose materials, like most wheelbarrows. It is narrow to help fit through tight spaces. It is also lightweight, but has a very sturdy construction despite its weight. On the downside, it is a bit small, and it is especially suited to short folks, so taller gardeners might want to look for a wheelbarrow that is more elevated than the WORX Aerocart. To top it all off, it comes with a 3-year full warranty,